use a meat thermometer. 5 steps to barbecue hero status. When it comes to cooking meat to perfection, whether you're grilling a juicy steak or roasting a succulent turkey, achieving the right temperature is crucial. Overcooking can lead to dry, tough meat, while undercooking poses health risks. This is where a meat thermometer comes into play. A meat thermometer is a small, prong-type device designed to measure the internal temperatures of meats and other proteins, ensuring they've reached a safe and optimal temperature for consumption. It provides an accurate reading, taking the guesswork out of the cooking process and guaranteeing consistent results every time. Not only does it boost confidence in the kitchen, but it also ensures the safety and satisfaction of those who enjoy your meals. In the realm of kitchen gadgets, few tools are as indispensable and reliable as the meat thermometer. Let's dive into the essentials of how to use this invaluable tool to its fullest potential. What is a meat thermometer? A meat thermometer is a specialized tool designed to measure the core temperature of meats during the cooking process. Equipped with a metal probe that has a sharp point, this instrument is inserted into the meat to gauge its internal temperature, ensuring that it reaches the desired level of doneness and safe consumption standards. It plays a pivotal role in achieving culinary precision, eliminating the guesswork in cooking. Meat thermometers come in various types, including instant read and probe thermometers. While the former provides rapid temperature readings, the latter can be left inside the meat throughout the cooking duration, offering continuous monitoring. How to use a meat thermometer. 1. Choose the right tool. Types of thermometers. There are a plethora of meat thermometers out there, from analog to digital. But for precise and quick readings, I recommend opting for a digital thermometer. They're especially handy when you're following beef recipes that require a specific degree of doneness. Another fantastic option is the probe thermometer, where you can insert the probe and get real-time temperature readings, especially when roasting in the oven. 2. Insert the thermometer probe. The placement of the thermometer probe depends on the type of meat you're cooking. Here are some guidelines. For poultry, insert the thermometer probe into the thickest part of the thigh or breast without touching the bone. Make sure the probe is inserted deep enough to reach the center of the meat. For red meat, insert the thermometer probe into the thickest part of the meat, avoiding bones and fat. For steaks, it's typically done from the side, while for roasts, you might need to insert it from the top. For ground meat, insert the thermometer probe horizontally into the center of the thickest patty or meatloaf. For fish, insert the probe into the thickest part of the fillet or steak. 3. Take the temperature. If you're using a digital instant read thermometer, it will provide a quick and accurate reading. Some digital thermometers have an LCD display that will show the temperature. If you're using an analog dial thermometer, it might take a bit longer for the temperature to stabilize, so be patient. 4. Check the temperature. Refer to a temperature chart or guideline to determine the desired internal temperature for the specific type of meat you're cooking. Different meats have different safe temperature ranges. Here are some general guidelines. Perfecting poultry. Checking chicken. The first step to a juicy chicken is knowing where to check its temperature. Insert a meat thermometer into the thickest part of the breast, steering clear of the bone. Aim for a safe 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. This ensures that the meat is done and you won't be surprised by any raw parts. Remember, due to carryover cooking, the meat will continue to cook even after you pull it from the oven. Beef. Mastering steak and roasts. Beef recipes are my absolute favorites. When cooking beef, it's essential to check the temperature in the thickest part, away from the bone. For medium rare delights, target 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 57 degrees Celsius. For a medium degree of doneness, aim for 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Trust me, a meat thermometer is the secret weapon to those tender cuts of meat we all love. Pork, the often overlooked meat. Pork is such a versatile meat, and it's crucial not to overcook it. I recommend using your meat thermometer to cook pork to a temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Once you achieve this, let it rest for about 3 minutes. This rest is crucial as it allows the juices to redistribute, making your pork incredibly tender. 5. Maintenance and care. After using the meat thermometer, clean the probe with warm, soapy water and sanitize it if necessary. Most are water resistant, but always check the manufacturer's instructions. Cleanliness ensures longevity and accuracy, which in turn leads to perfectly cooked meat every time. Final thoughts. In short, mastering the use of a meat thermometer is essential for both novice and experienced cooks. It's not just about ensuring safety by reaching the recommended internal temperatures, but also about achieving perfect doneness every time. To get the most accurate results, always put the thermometer to check the thickest part of the meat without touching any bones. Remember, guessing can lead to undercooked or overcooked dishes, but using a thermometer takes the guesswork out of the equation. Once you're able to get the temperature readings accurately, you're well on your way to culinary success. Whether you're grilling, baking, or frying, a meat thermometer is an indispensable tool in the kitchen.